Hi guys! We've been in this car park last night. We're going to stay another night. It's quite a big one. Before that, straight after Gordon's memorial, we went back to that place, the one with the fire engine. That was really cool, and you can literally just park up there and have a fire as long as you keep it tidy. It's a brilliant spot. So we stayed there for a few nights and then just kept driving up here.
Very poor internet connection, isn't it?
Because of the internet connection. So we had to keep driving up here anyway and popping through. I'm gonna have to, I can't stop looking at this view. Hold on a sec. That's what's distracting me. Oh, all the hills, it's beautiful. So yeah, we stayed there for a few nights and then we came up here and we decided to just stay here just because we fancied having a catch up on everyone's YouTube videos, because you can't really watch them unless you've got 4G. So we did that and then we've come up here, done a bit of work. Today it's been absolutely throwing it down. Just shutting the gate. I'm just going to take the dog for a walk actually because it's cleared up.
Ruined my plan.
Yeah, it's been raining all day, so it gave me the chance to knuckle down and get some work done. You went out for a bit, didn't you?
Yes, it ruined my
Went down
plans.
to the he went down to the river for a bit.
Can't tell
Oh,
anybody.
a little snail! Don't stand on it.
What?
There. It's really cute.
Be nice with a bit of vinegar.
What do you think, Kaylin? Oh, let's leave him. Or you can put him in the grass. I hate standing on snails. It's even worse in the dark because you don't realise you've done it. Oh, good girl. Have you saved the little snail? So yeah, we're just taking the dogs out for a little bit. We are going to go back to the farm for Beltane weekend, which is the bank holiday in May, beginning of May. So we're just going to stay around here, aren't we? We're going to go back to that the two little waterfalls that we found the other week. Hopefully the weather will improve a bit. It's been absolutely gorgeous, and then the last couple of days it's not been that nice. So yeah, hopefully that'll improve. But apart from that, we've been chilling, haven't we, really?
You have been tidying up toys and doing dishes, and tidying up toys and doing dishes, and tidying up more toys and doing more dishes.
He knows this place.
One of us is on the wrong path.
Oh, you're going that way? All right. Okay. But yeah, as summer is approaching, I'm finding
Someone's
I really
had the bloody heater on all day.
no, it was a totally different subject I was getting on here,
Oh, go on.
and I need to get working on this bikini body because it isn't a bikini body right now, and it's quite difficult. Because I know for a fact, right, I've never been one of them people that can stick religiously to exercise. I can eat healthy to a certain extent, but I do like my treats. But the exercise thing, I need to find something, a little routine, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, whatever, that I can do in the van with this crazy lot. What have you dropped? The dogs have slipped the leads?
No.
What?
No. You want to find something for some exercise?
What? What?
Walk the dogs.
Walk the dogs?
Yes.
No! I walk a lot!
Take the dogs with you.
I walk a lot! But that doesn't do anything to me because I've always walked a lot. It's the toning stuff that I need to do. And I don't know what to do, because if I have to do something outside the van and it's raining or it's windy or it's not very nice, I won't do it. I just simply won't do it. And I need to get into a consistent routine that I can do inside the van. So if anybody has got any ideas on what I can do in a space where I can't even lie down in on the floor, the bed I can't stand up in, then let me know, please. Somebody must have some idea. I'm going to ignore what he said. I don't even know if you can hear him. But he just rambles on. I suppose I do as well, really. Anyway, this is probably boring, but I need help! Oh, and something else as well. I found that, oh, you are disgusting. He's just farted. I found that since we've been out in nature a lot more, I found that I've been getting really inspired to actually take pictures. So we are posting a lot more on Instagram now. If you're not already following us on there, if you are on Instagram, same name, Van Life with Betty Boondocker. But yeah, I get really inspired and, you know, to take pictures. They might not be any good. I like them and I like doing it. So that's something that I never really knew about myself, I suppose. Brings out a bit of the creativity as well as, you know, doing the editing and stuff, which is quite fun. I suppose we'll learn lots about ourselves during our travels, which is quite exciting. But yeah, if you're not already following us on Instagram, then pop over and have a look. Oh, it really is lovely round here. We've only travelled about an hour and a half, haven't we, away from Northallerton, but you really don't have to go that far to see something that you haven't seen before, and something that's so lovely and pretty, and it's so peaceful. I really needed this walk.
It's what?
It's quite hard being cooped up in the van when it's raining outside and stuff. Peaceful. Yeah, peaceful apart from that. Oh, she's come
Somebody scared the rabbits.
Come over all sweetness now. Oh. We've had a good day, haven't we, darling? Just chilled out. Much needed. Anyway, back to the walk.
Up, hut. Go on, straight. Hut. Come on then. Come here. Come by. Joy, strike.
That wall's higher than the one that you had to get up to see the waterfall.
Yep.
The fancy one right at the beginning.
Yep.
That I really love.
Yep. Strike, Joy.
I couldn't get up it. He took a camera over there with him to film it all.
Strike, Joy.
And then filmed me trying to get up, and I must have tried about 10 times, and I just couldn't find somewhere to put my foot.
Joy.
I was like that, and I just couldn't pull myself up. Little weakling I am. Yeah.
Come on.
And the dogs have just climbed up that.
In one leap.
I was a bit gutted about that, actually.
How high is it?
What, the waterfall
The wall.
one?
Here, hold that. Show everybody how high it is.
Yeah, and the dogs have just done it. But, to be fair, there's plenty of little footholes to put your feet in.
Oh. Right, action replay. Come on, dogs. Hut. Go on. Hut. Joy, strike. Hut.
Yeah, well, there's a difference between a dog and a human. They've got them sprinty back legs that make them run fast and leap. I haven't. I've got little legs. I'm only 5'1". What's up with you? You want to go up there? Kaylin, if I can't do it, I don't think you'll be able to do it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Daddy,
We'll just stay down here.
Go down. You want Daddy to get up there?
Go on then. I think you're hard enough.
Wet.
Oh, it's wet.
Yeah.
Like you. Hi guys! So we've left our little parking spot that we were at yesterday. We're going to go back there shortly, but we've had to come out. We've got to get a bit of shopping, a bit of water, toilet trips. Right behind the toilets there's this tap. There's no taps at the garage. There's only that that one with the water and air, and it tastes like rubber, so we're not having any of that. So that's at the back of the toilets with no thing on, so we can't, without him digging through all his toolboxes, we can't get any that way. So what we're having to do, because the sinks are quite small, they won't fit these 5-litre jugs, so we're basically having to fill them up best we can. I've got that almost full. We'll fill these 2 jugs up. He's took one into the toilets with him, but yeah, we're going to have to use this little bottle to fill up the 5-litre ones. It's taking forever, but you've got to do what you've got to do, and hey, it's free.
The things you have to do for a YouTube vlog.
I'm going to the toilet, I need a wee again.
Right. Right guys, so as you just saw, that's one hose connector for one kind of tap, and not that one for another. So public toilet, couple up, fill our bottles, they're our reserves. Main carton full. Took about 5 minutes. So that'll keep us going for another 3 or 4 days. Especially if we get somewhere near a river, because we've been washing our pots in boiled river water. So there we go. Oh my god. On a day like today, do we really need a hose pipe? I feel like I'm stood under one. Hey monkeys.
Right, run away, got the water, let's go and get some food. Well, I think we might have overstayed our welcome here, so we've decided to move on. We've been in this car park for 2 nights already, but we've been using it every day for a few hours as well since we've been here, so we better go, I think. It's
2 nights, move on.
yeah, I think I think people just get a bit suspicious, don't they? Well, we're obviously not here to do any harm or anything, but you know, it's other people's hometowns, so we're off skis, and to be honest, we're doing this so that we can see a little bit more of
Says you, and we're off back
country.
to another location that we've already stopped at.
Yeah, well, I said we were going back there again because we didn't get enough chance to explore it. Anyway, today it is literally hammered down all day. You're wanting to talk, aren't you, darling? As soon as the camera's out. So yeah, we've been stuck in the van today, but as you saw, we had to go and get some water, so that got us out. We got very wet. Went and got a bit of meat from the butcher's, a bit of shopping, and then yeah, just ready to go and explore a bit more now. And the spot we're going to has no signal at all, so
Woohoo!
we are probably going to have to move, even if it's just for a little bit, just to get a bit of signal so we can get some work done. Because it's Camp Quirky very soon, and now that we have to, well, we realised we're going to have to drive there, and then we're going to have to drive back, and then head down south where we actually wanted to go. That's going to cost a bit more in fuel, so I'll have to make sure we've got the extra cash there. What do you mean?
Huh?
What do you mean?
Well, what I'm thinking is that we really want to be heading south in the winter time, so to make more sense.
Midges, don't forget. Oh my god, guys! Just get past them big trees, but look at that! All the clouds over the mountains.
Yeah.
Are they mountains or are
No,
they just
the
big
hills.
hills? The hills.
They're the Yorkshire Dales.
Oh, you can't see it now. When we're at the top of the hill, it looked really cool. But yeah, well, darling, you haven't discussed this with me.
Aye?
You haven't discussed this with me.
I'm driving, I don't have to discuss anything.
Yes, you do.
You go where the drive takes you.
Serious face.
You'll enjoy it. Serious face.
I won't enjoy the midges, I know that.
I'm not thinking about going to Scotland.
Where are you thinking about going then?
I don't know yet. I've been weighing it up in my head. It'd make more sense if we were just south for the winter, and I don't know. There's plenty of the rest of the middle of the country to explore.
Yeah, I agree. There's loads of places I want to see. I was really looking forward to going to Wales in particular.
Might go to the flatlands.
Where's the flatlands?
The flatlands?
Yeah, you know what my geography's like.
Lincolnshire. Humberside.
Right. There we go. There's them clouds. Oh my god. Don't they look good?
You won't be saying that when we're sat up there on the top of that
I hope
hill
the camera's
in amongst
still.
them.
Oh.
You can't see a thing.
So yeah. Anyway, I'll catch you later, guys, because I think I need to have a little word with my husband.
How's that for a view, guys? A little rainbow over there. What you up to, monkeys?
I'm just going through all the videos and getting them in an order so that I can edit them. And there's a funny one on here where Kaylin got you with a stick. So yeah, we're just laughing at that. It's quite funny watching them all back, especially when you two have been out and I don't know what the videos are. I love it.
Oh, it is raining a little bit, but look at that there. Now, there's a reason why I came back here, and I found a little something in the waterfall the other week. a little golden something. It's a bit windy. So I've come back this week and I've got a gold pan, and I'm going to have a rake about in there, but it was definitely not iron pyrite. So also, I'm not telling anybody where we are, and it doesn't even mention where we are in the last video. So that's the view. We're off gold panning tomorrow if the water settles down a little bit. We'll see what that brings.
Right guys, we've stopped. We are at the 2 little waterfalls that we went to a couple of weeks back.
In Cumbria.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just past the Cumbria sign. But it wasn't too far away from where we were. We're just about to have some eggy soldiers for our tea, something quick and easy because it is getting late. And the only reason we'll be moving tomorrow is to get this video uploaded. So we'll just sit and chill, get it edited tonight. Oh, Kaylin, nobody wants to see what's in your mouth. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. We've had a really good time. It's been nice and chilled out, and cheap as well because we haven't gone too far, which is good because we need to save some money for Camp Quirky. Anyway, are you gonna stop stuffing your face for a minute and say bye to everybody?
Bye.
Bye guys.
Bye, guys.
See you in the
Bye,
next one. Remember to
guys.
like, subscribe, share. Hit the thumbs up.
And hit the thumbs up.
We'll see you in the next one, guys.
See you later guys.
Bye.
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 About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.